In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the FRHRE 5312-44. Remove the 2 air conduct, the 2 dampers. Remove the packaging. You'll find the instruction manual with the remote and the lag screw. The unit comes with 4 filters. The opening needs to have 42.5 inches of width, 26 3/4 inch of depth, and a minimum clearance of 14 inch and 15/16 of an inch. Install the 2 wood frames. Make sure that from the side of the opening to the middle of the wooden frame, there's 3 and 15/16 inch. From the center of the wooden support to the other wooden support needs to be 35 and 9/16 of an inch. Remove the 4 filters. Remove the 2 internal panels. Flip the unit upside down. Install the gasket on the 2 dampers and press firmly. Make sure that the rubber gasket holes fit with the dedicated holes on the damper. Remove the 2 flappers. Install the air damper. The support frame of the unit are adjustable from 13 3/4 of an inch to a maximum of 22 1/4 of an inch. From the side of the opening to the middle of the support frame should be 15 3/4 of an inch. After drilling the first hole at the center of the wooden frame, drill 2 other holes at 11 inches from the middle. Remember to measure twice and cut once. Drill the holes to the dedicated point. Insert the lag bolts. For the installation, you will need to be 2. Insert the hood in the dedicated opening. Fix the hood with the washer and bolt on the lag bolts. Place back the 2 internal plates. Replace the 4 filters. This completes the installation.